everyone, welcome to Lexus of Edmonton located on 170th Street. Today I'll be showing you the 2025 Lexus RX 350 Hybrid Executive Series in eminent white pearl on macadamia. Under the hood you have a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with electronically controlled continuous variable transmission, ensuring a smooth ride with improved fuel efficiency. The signature spindle grille complements the premium triple beam LED headlamps for a sleek and modern look. The Executive Series sits on 21-inch high alloy wheels. Stepping inside with keyless entry into the vehicle, your door panel features a puddle light projecting the Lexus logo. The Executive Series comes with a 21-speaker Mark Levinson premium audio system. Below are your power window, mirror, and door locks. To the left of the steering wheel, you have your memory seats, gas cap, and trunk release, and a small compartment for change or parking passes. The macadamia interior offers a bright, luxurious feel. The heated and ventilated seats are complete with 10-way power adjustable and 4-way lumbar support. The power tilt heated steering wheel comes equipped with paddle shifters and all your important functions such as hands-free and cruise controls, multi-information display, and audio controls. The instrument cluster displays all the important information at a glance, and above that you have your heads-up display. The touchscreen entertainment center features radio, media, navigation, and cruise controls, as well as your Lexus interface where you can say, "Hey Lexus," and request any command. It also features a panoramic view to get a 360-degree view of the vehicle and its surroundings. Express your mood or style with the customizable 64-color ambient lighting throughout the cabin. In the center, you have USB and USB-C charging ports, along with a wireless smartphone charger, can all be found in a hidden compartment with a sliding cover. Your shifter and dual cup holder, as well as your traction controls and electronic brake. The center console opens up from both driver's side and passenger. The automatic digital rear-view mirror with advanced camera system is designed to enhance driver visibility and safety. You have a sunglasses holder conveniently placed next to your power moonroof with full panoramic view for all your passengers to enjoy. In the rear, passengers are treated with generous legroom and reclining seats. They also have access to climate controls and the USB charging ports. In the center, you have an armrest along with dual cup holders, and the seats can be folded down into a 40-20-40 split, expanding your cargo area. Moving to the trunk and cargo area, you'll find a liftgate with hands-free feature, which is perfect for loading when your hands are full. With the rear seats up, you have ample cargo space for daily needs, or fold it down, expanding the area for larger items. Additionally, the cargo area features a hidden underfloor compartment, which houses your spare tire and jack. And above that, you have your power liftgate buttons to close and lock. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton, where we can find the vehicle best suited for you.